Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in again. It's your boy, Joby Styles. You already know what it is. Today we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I've been waiting to use this for forever now. I've ordered it and I've just had it and it's been sitting here. I'm back on it, okay? I know I took a little break, but I'm back, baby. I'm back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this palette and show you how I created this beautiful look. She's cute, huh? And I'm feeling this lip. I'm really feeling this lip. Y'all know I like my neutral lips. All right, stay tuned. All right, so first, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. We're gonna use the Tatcha primer. No secret. You know I love me some Tatcha primer. You know how I do. I wanna get to this eye. I'm so excited, so I'm trying to go ahead and get everything done as quick as possible. I don't know why it took me so long to film with this palette. I literally bought this palette like a good 2 months ago, and I kind of forgot that I bought it because at the time, I don't know, I was going kind of crazy and I was buying a bunch of stuff, and I know I shouldn't have, but whatever. But I do have heck of stuff for material, I'm just saying. So expect some videos coming up because I have stuff I'm like, shoot, I need to film. Alright, so sticking to what I know, I'm going to use my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. We're just going to go ahead and do 2 pumps on there. And I'm going to apply that with my Real Technique sponge because, you know, I'm loving this sponge. Ever since, you know, I turned to it, I haven't needed to turn back. So, I'm just going to go for it. Alright, so now that our foundation on, we're going to go ahead and move on to the brows. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown and my dip brow in dark brown. I'm just going to use this to kind of give me the shape that I want, and I'm going to fill it in with this. But we're just going to kind of move through that. I've already done brow videos for you, so I kind of really just want to get to this eyebrow. You know. Okie dokie, so now we finally get to move on to the eye. I'm just going to go ahead and prime with a little bit of the NARS concealer, the same one I used for my brows, so the soft matte and caramel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my lids cause this look is about to be bomb. I'm gonna use the NARS. This is their jumbo eye pencil in the color Milk. I think it's in the color Milk. I think that's what I saw before. Yeah, it's in the color Milk. And so I'm just going to apply that right to the lid. And it's kind of mixing with concealer, and I'm just going to blend that in with my finger. More so on the lid and blending out. That's what I want it a little bit lighter. But I don't want it like stark white. But you got to make sure you blend it properly because you don't want it to be like patchy. Yes, you see that? Bruh. Alright. Moving along. I kind of wanted to set that, but you know what? I'm not going to. I'm just going to go ahead and let this shadow be like the love of my life. I'm like, I've never tried Juvia's Place's shadows. So many people have said so many different things about it. Look at that packaging. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see like the detail that's in this, and I believe Juvia's Place is a black owned brand, like a black created, founded, or what have you. So look at that. It's just like, enough raving about the freaking packaging. Let's get into this mofo. They pack it in there. Look at this. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this down. OMG. OMG. This is pretty. I can't believe I haven't like really opened this and played with this yet. Like, I haven't even swatched this thing. Oh my gosh. I want to use all of them, but I'm not because that would be kind of much. But, ooh, what's this look like? Alright, so I'm going to start off with this yellow color in my crease. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I've heard about the pigment in these, and look at all of that. I go lightly into my shadow, so I'm not seeing a ton of fallout, so that's cool. I'm pretty sure if I was like digging into it like some people I've seen do, it'll be kind of cray. But one thing, I do love this beautiful picture. I do. But if we can just get a mirror right there, like there's a cutout like right there, I could just picture a mirror. You know, maybe if you had the mirror and then like you had like this picture and like on that cellophane and that you peel off, that would have been cute. Okay, so I mean, it'll probably add a few bucks to the palette, but I mean, yeah, you can do it. So let's hope that comes in the future, because that would be gorge. That would be real gorge. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this bad boy back up so I can use this for my mirror then. And we're gonna put that yellow in the crease. Let's see what she's giving. I'm excited. All right, let's do this. All right. Okay. 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 I see her. I see her. Let's build it up. I want to see it. For real, for real. That's pretty. And I am using my Morphe 441 brush to apply this. And I am lightly building up the color because that's how I like to do my shadows. If you like to just go ahead and pack everything on at once, I mean, by all means, you can go, whoa, whoa! That does not look as bright in person as it does on camera. Like, that yellow is intense. That is gorgeous. Ooh, I love this yellow. This looks so bomb, y'all. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to a smaller brush. This is my Morphe 433 brush, and I'm gonna dip into this orange and then into this red just for blending sake, because then I want to really get into that purple to kind of work into like the outer V. Yes, 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 yes. I think that's gonna be really, really cute. So a little bit into that orange, yeah. And I say orange. I know it's orange, but I like to say orange because that's just the way it rolls off my tongue. So if you don't like it, get over it. So we're gonna go ahead and use this more in the inside of the crease. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit more and go to the other side before I blend it out, because I want that yellow to still be able to be seen. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to the yellow, the brush I used for the yellow, which was the Morphe M441, and I'm gonna use that to blend out that orange. Just get that nice soft blend with those. I really, really like that. So you're pushing up a little bit of that orange into the yellow, but since you're using a brush that has the yellow, it's softening it. And it's just giving you that nice wash, but it still has that yellow left over. Which is nice. So now we're going to move on to the red. I'm going to use a little bit of a smaller brush for that. I'm going to go ahead and use my Mikasa's color switch just to make sure this has nothing on it to affect that, because I want that more so like deeper, deep in the crease. Oh my gosh, that color is just so gorgeous. I've been needing a red shadow, and it's just like, here you are, right here, right now. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and focus that right there and there. Like kind of on the top of the lid. I'm like literally tracing it. So I put it literally right below the crease, and then what I'm going to do is take the brush I applied the orange with and blend that out right into the bottom of the crease. Yep. See that? And I just intensified that. I really like that, and it's shaping the eye. We're gonna add more of that red in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of that orange and go right above that, and then back into that yellow. Beautiful. Okay, so now that I pretty much evened up both eyes and got them to that, we're gonna go ahead and pop into this purple. I'm excited for this purple, man. Purple is the key to success. So let's see what that's giving, because you know I am very particular. One of my favorite purple shadows is the Pat McGrath purple and the, what is it, the Subverse palette. It's one of the little mini mothership ones. So freaking pretty. Okay, I see her, but purple is like one of those shadows you're gonna have to really pack on and get into. So we're gonna build that up on the outer corner. I'm gonna take it a little far out just to give a kind of like almost a wing effect. I'm not gonna do a whole cut crease or nothing. That's just not necessary today. But I do really wanna get a good blend going. I kinda wanted to give a slight wing. Alright, let me try to blend this out. Cause y'all know I just be creating stuff, honestly. So I'm just gonna use this round dome brush. Yeah, and just try to make sense of what I just did. I feel like I can do anything I set my mind to. And I feel like this is turning to a beautiful sunset. I love that. Yeah, I like that. I really like that purple. That's really, really pretty. Alright, so now that I kind of stretched this purple out to the desired amount that I wanted it to be, I feel like it has like this sunsetty vibe going on. I'm also going to apply it to the lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to use the orange to kind of smoke it out a little bit. I'm feeling this look already. Like, I kind of just want to leave it like this and just call it a day. I actually really, let me take a selfie real quick. Hold on, can y'all pause for a second? I kind of just want to take a selfie just like this because I'm kind of feeling that. I want to go ahead and add in this green color right here. And then I want to put this one right on top of it. And we're just going to keep it on the lid. More so in the inner part of the lid. This green is like a mint green. That shit, I mean, it's really, 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 really pretty. So I kind of see how I'm doing it. I see how I'm going to kind of finesse that. Blending it into that purple. Alright, so I know this looks really extra, but I don't care. It's beautiful. It's colors. Now we're going to go into this lime green. I wanted to use like every color almost. I'm going to switch brushes real quick. I'm going to use the same brush I used to apply the green, the other green, and, well, bluish color, and apply the green all over it a little. Kind of like giving a green frost effect. I don't know if that's transferring the way I want it to. I'm going to go back into that other greenish blue color and kind of get it in between the purple and that. Just for blending sakes. And then I'm going to bring it over it a little bit too, like in here. I like that. I like that. That's like a supernova eye. Supernova, bitch. I'm just going to use my Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just, to stick with the palette, I'm going to use this guy here. She's like a rose gold tone. So I think that'll be cute for like the brow bone. Yeah. Just because it just goes with this colorful ass look. Like, I mean, it's fucking colorful. Alright, so the shadow is basically done. I am going to do like wing liner mascara, but I'm going to finish the rest of my complexion before I get into that because I kind of like to do that last. That's why I feel like I'm doing so much. Like, why not, right? You only live once. Might as well highlight. Highlight your life, bruh. Highlight your life. Alright, so for my inner waterline, I'm actually going to use a blue. This is the Makeup Forever in the shade I-24. And it's like a nice blue. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. I'll be back. I'm not gonna do that on camera. Okay, so now that that Makeup Forever liner is in our waterline, we're gonna go ahead and put on some of that Milk Mascara. Y'all know that Kush is for me. I love it. All right, that looks great. What you think? I really like that. I really feel like I need to do the liner and the mascara, but this eye's looking pretty damn good. I really like this a lot. You know, I am really all over the place because I really wanted to add blush and I never did, and I really do want to now. So I think I'm gonna lightly do that. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Black Up blush, and this is in the color number 3. I just want a very tiny bit, just to give a little something. I don't normally do blush, so I feel like I'm not used to it. But like other people who do like blush, they're like probably like, yes, because this goes perfectly with that purple, and that's why I wanted to put it on. It's all about color stories and theory, honestly, because my lip is super neutral that we're doing, because I didn't want it to take away from the eye. Alright, so I went ahead and put that Pretty Vulgar liner on. Now, I was going to put some lashes on, but apparently my lash glue had other plans today, which didn't include me. I'm cool with it, but I would love for her to come back home. I can't find her anywhere, and I've bought lash glue repeatedly. I bought like 3 in the last couple months, and I can't find any of them. I really don't understand. So I won't be putting on lashes. I just added another coat of the Kush mascara just to give it that extra oomph. But we're gonna just go ahead and move on with the lip because I've been going through a lot to shoot this video, and it's really getting to me. Like, it's really starting to get to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my MAC Cork lip liner, because that's what we're doing for the lip. We're doing that, and we're gonna put some Laura Geller gloss over it, because I think that's just gonna give me a nice nude lip that I think will look great. And if I think it's not enough, then I'll do maybe like a purple gloss, but I don't think I really want to do that. I think I just want to do a nice nude lip. Alright, so now I got my lip on, and this completes the look. I'm actually really feeling this. I really like this palette. Like, this final look with this eye looks pretty damn good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you would like to see a different look with this palette. I definitely will be doing a few more. I really want to get into that brown. I want to do that light blue color, this color. I really want to do a couple more looks with this palette. So I just wanted to just go for a full colorful look. So let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. I really truly appreciate it. As always, please subscribe. Please let your brother, your sister, your mother, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew, your niece, whoever, that Juvia Styles is where it's at. You already know what it is, so stop denying it. You know what it is. Beauty guru of the century or whatever. I'm gonna get there once I start consistently posting more videos. I promise I will start doing that for you. I am committed now. I am back and better than ever. I had to take a little time off, but I am back and I am in here. So if you want to see more looks like this, let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Tell me what you want to see. I want to know from you. Awesome. So as always, please come back and see me, alright? It's your boy, Juvia Styles.